now. If I'm not feeling any less sour, I promise myself to treat myself and visit a nearby tower, and climbing to the top to throw myself off in an effort to make it clear to whoever what it's like when you're shattered, left standing in the lurch at the church where people saying, my God, that stuff she stood him up. No point in us remaining. We may as well go home. I sat it on my own, alone again. Naturally, to think that only yesterday I was cheerful, bright and gay, looking forward who wouldn't do the role I was about to play. And as if to knock me down, reality came around, and without so much as a mere touch, threw me into little pieces, leaving me to doubt. Talk about God in His mercy, who if He really does exist, why did He desert me in my hour of faith? I truly am indeed alone again. Naturally, it seems to me that there are more hearts broken in the world than can be mended, left unattended. What do we do? What do we do? Alone again, naturally, looking back over the years and whatever else appears. I remember I cried when my father died, never wishing to hide my tears. And at 65 years old, my mother, God rest her soul, couldn't understand why the only man she had ever loved had been taken, leaving her to start with a heart so badly broken. Despite encouragement from me, no words were ever spoken. When she passed away, I cried and cried all day, alone again. Naturally, alone again. Naturally.